Looking for a healthy, fat-burning black coffee with a twist? Today, I'm going to show you a simple homemade cinnamon black coffee. It is not only delicious, but also full of amazing health benefits. First, I took a good amount of cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is not just for flavor. It is packed with antioxidants and helps boost metabolism. Then, I cut them into small pieces. Cutting them helps in drying and grinding easily. After that, I kept the cinnamon pieces in sunlight for about 2 hours. Sun drying helps remove moisture and makes the cinnamon more crisp for grinding. Once they were completely dried, I took a mixer jar. I added the cinnamon pieces into the jar. Then I blended them slowly, in short intervals. This step is important so that the mixer doesn't overheat and the powder stays fresh. I continued until it turned into a fine powder. Freshly ground cinnamon powder has a much stronger aroma and health benefits compared to store-bought powder. After that, I stored the powder in an airtight container. You can store this for many days and use it whenever needed. This cinnamon powder will be used to make our healthy black coffee. First, I took some cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is a natural spice with many health benefits. Then, I broke the cinnamon sticks into small pieces. This makes it easier to grind. After that, I placed the pieces under sunlight for some time. Drying helps remove moisture and gives a better texture. Once they were fully dried, I took a mixer jar. I added the cinnamon pieces into the jar. Then, I started grinding slowly. I used short intervals to avoid overheating. I continued grinding until it became a fine powder. Fresh cinnamon powder has a strong aroma and better taste. Then, I stored the powder in an airtight container. This keeps it fresh for a longer time. Benefits of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps improve digestion. It can help control blood sugar levels. It supports weight management. It is rich in antioxidants. It also helps boost metabolism. Cinnamon can reduce inflammation in the body. You can use this cinnamon powder in coffee, tea, or healthy drinks. It adds both flavor and health benefits to your daily routine. Now, I heated some water in a cup. Hot water helps dissolve everything perfectly and gives a rich flavor. Then, I added 1 small spoon of stevia powder into the hot water. Stevia is a great sugar alternative, especially for weight loss and diabetes-friendly diets. Benefit: it keeps your coffee sweet without adding calories. Next, I took a 5 rupees Nescafe coffee packet. You can use any instant coffee available at home. I opened it and added it to the cup. Coffee helps boost energy and improves focus. Benefit: it increases alertness and can help in fat burning. After that, I added a little cinnamon powder. Not too much, just a pinch is enough for flavor and benefits. Benefit: cinnamon helps control blood sugar levels and supports weight loss. Benefit: it also improves digestion and reduces bloating. Then, I mixed everything really well. Make sure there are no lumps and everything is blended nicely. And just like that, my healthy cinnamon black coffee was ready. How to drink? You can drink it hot for a refreshing start to your day, or you can let it cool and enjoy it as a cold coffee as well. Both ways taste amazing.